In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change settings in Google Slides. Google Slides is a fantastic tool for creating, editing, and sharing presentations, whether you're working on a solo project or a collaborative one. And customizing the settings to suit your preferences can enhance your productivity and improve your overall experience. So let's dive into the steps on how you can adjust these settings easily. To start with, we need to head over to Google Slides. Simply open your browser and type in slides.google.com and you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Once there, sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. This is a crucial step because access to Google Slides and its features requires a Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see options to open a new presentation or work on existing ones. For our task today, you'll want to either click on blank presentation to start fresh or select an existing template that suits your needs. This gives you a clean slate or a pre-designed layout to work with depending on your project requirements or personal preference. Next, let's move on to accessing the settings. Look for the main menu, which is located at the top left corner. It's represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu showing various options. From here, you need to scroll down and find the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will open a new window where various customization options are available. Now you're inside the Settings interface. Within these options, you're able to manage aspects such as language preferences, offline availability, and other presentation settings that can significantly influence how you create and share your slides. Take a moment to explore these settings. Depending on your specific needs, you might want to enable certain features like offline editing, which allows you to work on your presentations even without an internet connection. Finally, remember to save any changes you make before exiting the settings menu. Google Slides generally auto-saves, but it's always good to double check that your preferences are set the way you want them. And there you have it. Changing settings in Google Slides is as simple as that. By tweaking these settings, you can tailor your working environment to fit your needs and enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.